What's the difference between an introduction and an abstract? Hi, I'm Gabby from mythesiscoach.com, and today I break the mystery of the difference between an introduction and an abstract. Now let's start off by saying, if you are simply writing an essay or an assignment for a course that you are doing, you will likely not need an abstract. In this case, you will certainly need an introduction, and an introduction is where you welcome the reader to your paper, you perhaps have a hook that pulls them in, you tell them what the focus of the paper is, you share your main argument, and you use that as a way to move them into the body of your paper where you share your main content. So that is the introduction of an assignment, and to repeat, in a normal essay situation, you're unlikely to need an abstract. Where you might need an abstract is if you're writing a longer piece of research, like a long research report or dissertation or a thesis, or even a journal article. And in this case, an abstract is a short summary of the content of that document. So your abstract might start off by contextualizing your research. It'll then have an overview of what your main question was, how you gathered your data, how you analyzed your data, some main findings, and then the implications for the research on the thing that you were looking at. So that's an abstract. It's normally a paragraph. There'll be different lengths, normally between 100 to 150 words. But it's basically a very short summary of the research. Again, not needed in an assignment, but might be needed in a longer piece of research. Certainly for a journal article, for a thesis, or for a long research report, that abstract is really handy for the reader because it allows them to quickly look at what you've covered in that paper, synthesize the content, and see whether it's something that they need to read based on what it is that they're researching going forward. So there we have it, abstract versus introduction. Hope you found that helpful. Please remember, do subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.